Hey guys, Silverbacked here. Thanks for joining for another video. Just wanted to come to you with just a bit of a market snapshot of exactly what's happening. This is a 5-day, because I've been doing the like weekly blogs for longer time frames, which is probably where we're going to end up living most of the time. But the 4-hour charts have been absolutely awesome. They're smashing it. But actually, the weekly chart also is doing great as well. So. It's good I've got both portfolios, 4-hour and 5-day, or daily and weekly, if you like, is what I call them, instances running with bots that are copying the trade calls. So I've got a history, and I'll be able to tell. Just point of fact is today actually. The weekly bot just finished with 7.75% profit in 3 and 3/4 days. So that's like just over 2% profit per day. So I'm going to have to quickly make this call, give you the updates, and just get on to creating a new bot for the weekly calls. And so I'll get my skates on and keep doing that. BTC hit an all-time new high at 99,121 in the last 4 hours, which is amazing. The trend is still up. It started, we got in here on the 19th of November. Wow, it's the 22nd of November now, and it's, we were down here at sort of like 92. It's like 99 now. So actually settled back down to 98 currently. Anyway, so the point of looking at this chart is to know that out of BTC and USD, this determines our portfolio bias. So our whole portfolio should be biased towards BTC and not any USD. The only thing that you should include, or I advise to include mathematically, I can say that because it's not financial advice, it's a mathematical fact, is that the only things that you should be including in your portfolio are the things that are outperforming BTC. Case in point, which are nothing. As you can see, red. I've checked all this just to save time. The only ones are Arbitrum, which just gave us a long entry, and that Arbitrum can actually move. It's got some like it had a bit of a high point here. Has been sort of like I'll tell you just a little bit of insight, not to digress too much. I like it when I see so there's a low. Obviously that's a lower low, so that's not bullish. But when I see a higher low, I start paying attention because this has put in a previous low there, another low there, and you can sort of see if that's how, if it were to be putting in a base, that's how it starts doing it. The lower low, higher low. And then, it's just naturally, it's not a big surprise to see, price action move. I mean, this is not a technical analysis call, but when you see, this, and then, you can sort of see, that there is potential for it to break out past these previous highs. When you are having the higher lows. But anyway, I am digressing a little bit, but when I said I will be quick. So anyway, so Arbitrum, yes. So we got a buy call, and also BCH smashed it like it's in 4 hours it went up 17% or something like that. Yeah, 17.6%. Obviously we got the tip over here, but we don't want to buy up there. We want to buy sort of down here, and now it actually gave us a call right here, just on the close 6 minutes ago. Sorry, an hour and 6 minutes ago, over here, and it hasn't sort of gone up yet. So it's a good entry if the trend does continue. If it doesn't, we'll get out of it. So yeah, Arbitrum, add up 5% Arbitrum, and 5% BCH to the portfolio. The rest of the portfolio should be 90% Bitcoin. Simple. That's basically the wrap up. I mean, I can go in so far as to look at the actual daily bot. I'll just pull this up on screen. So yeah, Arbitrum, I've already done these updates. 5% Arbitrum, 5% BCH, and 90% Bitcoin. Yeah, just if you need to, if your bot has finished because it might have hit its profit target, I actually added like $1,200 or $1,000 to mine. So my profit was up at like 4%, and it dropped down to 1% because I added like $1,000 into like an extra investment in there. So your bot probably might have finished. So if you do need a new bot, just scan this and use that, and I'll copy this code, and I mean, basically the code should be different from every other code that I've done previously, because the actual scan code should and the link should be the same. But if not, just in case, I'm putting the link to this here, to the modifications I've made to this latest post. Cool, that's it. I'll talk to you soon, guys, and I'll be checking in a few hours and see how we go there too. Anything new to report, I'll let you know. But yeah, we're tracking along good. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.